can get that one there too, the mother. You don't want to go out there.
Wow, look at this guy here.
Fuzzy over.
He's gonna go check out my garbage can. Oh. Jesus Christ.
Come here, Fuzzy, come here. Who are these guys? Hmm? Who are those guys?
Dad, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Let's see them.
No, bad. Get.
God, is that right?
Yeah. Mom's not gonna believe us.
Well, he's wet. I just wonder if the bugger's been in the pool.
Go look at the back. Go look at the back. This guy's standing over there. Oh, he's taking off, that guy.
Yeah.
What are these guys doing now?
I don't know.
Scaring them away. He's a lot better. Why do you do that? What are you doing?
Hey, boo-boo, let's go play some picnic.
Just climbed over the fence to the back.